friend of me is OPPO A6x, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. First of all, you need to open Messages app and select or create a chat. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, click on this icon of a photo at the bottom right corner. Now, to take a picture and add it instantly, use camera portion of this section here. You can flip your camera, adjust all of those options, and when you're ready, snap a picture. It will be automatically attached, so all you need to do is send it. If you wish to add already existing photo, use the same icon, and this time hold this line and drag it up. Now select all of your photos you wanna add to your message. And when you finished, hit done at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!